guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a good video quality settings for your video in CapCut. So this settings or adjustment can be used for any videos, and this one is pretty simple. After you import your clips, you can just start by going to the adjust menu and follow this settings. So for the brightness, you need to increase it to 10. Contrast, increase it to only 8. And then adjust the saturation to 50 and exposure 10. And last one, sharpen 10. So here you'll get this result, and you are done. And here I'm going to show you the comparison. This is the before and this one is the after. Okay, so that's all from me. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.